guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here, where I help you get food on the table for you and your family fast and take the stress out of meal times using meal prep. And today, guys, I'm super excited because I'm going to be taking you into my very own kitchen right now, and we're going to be talking all about my weekly grocery haul, aka also what I eat in a week. So if you're looking for grocery shopping inspiration and want to know exactly what I eat in a week as a meal prepper, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to get right into my weekly meal prep grocery haul right now. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to start with is vegetables and fruits. So one of my absolute favorite things to do whenever I am grocery shopping is to plan my meals in advance before I actually go to the grocery store. Not only does that save you so much time because you're not wandering around trying to figure out what to make for the week while you're at the grocery store, and we all know if we shop like that, we tend to overspend and not even get the ingredients that we really need to make a bunch of healthy meals for ourselves. So I have planned this week to make chicken Caesar salads for Monday. So of course for chicken Caesar salads, I already had the chicken, so I got some romaine lettuce hearts here, and we don't really do croutons or cheese or any of that sort of stuff at my place. It is pretty healthy, but I also have some Caesar dressing in there as well. But if you wanted to do your chicken Caesar salads with croutons, you could also pick up some croutons to go with your salad as well. And then we got some beautiful heads of broccoli. Broccoli is one of my favorite foods to meal prep because, guys, I don't know what it is about broccoli, but whenever I roast it in the air fryer or when I steam it, it stays fresh all week long, like literally 5 or 6 days. It doesn't go bad, and that's why I love it. So what I've decided to do with this broccoli is we're going to be doing some roasted salmon, and we're going to be doing some roasted broccoli on the side. And of course I already had the salmon as well, but if you wanted to pick up some salmon to do some roasted salmon and broccoli, I suggest buying the center cut pieces that are really nice and thick, because then they won't dry out whenever you roast them in the oven or in the air fryer. Now it's time to talk about the fruits that I bought this week. So it's just my fiance and I right now, so you'll notice I don't have a huge selection here. We also have a bunch of frozen fruit in the freezer, but I love buying fruit for snacks, guys. This is one of the biggest tips I can give you if you're a meal prepper and you're looking for those mid-morning snacks or in addition to your lunch to take to work, and that is to bring a piece of fruit. So bananas are one of my favorites. They're great for meal prep because you don't have to do anything to them, and they're super easy to take with you. And of course, apples are the same. You don't need to really do anything. You can chop them up if you want to, but I love that you can take them with you on the go and just grab a bite, and they're super convenient and portable. And I got some avocados this week because this week we're going to be doing some guacamole and some nachos, so that is why I got some avocados. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do an entire YouTube video on my guacamole recipe. It is so creamy and so delicious. I would be so happy to share it with you, but let me know in the comments below if you want me to do that. Next, guys, let's talk about dairy. So I'm completely dairy free for the most part, but there is one thing that I absolutely love to eat every once in a while because I'm a cheese girl. I have to say, let me know in the comments below if you love cheese as well, but I'm going to be making pulled pork mac and cheese this week. Oh, it is so yummy and so delicious. Again, if you want the recipe, drop me a comment down below and let me know so I know to make that video for you. But when you're making cheese sauce, guys, I don't buy the Kraft Dinner powdery. I'm like, if I'm gonna have cheese sauce, we're gonna get it done right. So one of my absolute favorite things to do that with is heavy cream, and you literally mix heavy cream with grated cheese, and it makes the perfect mac and cheese sauce. Kids love this, so that's a little tip for you. And for the rest of our dairy, we love to use nut milk or plant-based milk for our granola in the morning or just in our coffee, that sort of thing. So the one that I really like is called Milkadamia. It's no sugar added, unsweetened, plant-based macadamia nut milk. We get it at Costco, and we get like a huge flat of them for like $8 or $9. But any sort of plant-based milk that you like, or if you're just a regular old dairy gal, that's great too. And for This category, guys, our final category, is kind of like a miscellaneous sort of extras. So anything that I know that we need, but that can be stored in the pantry, kind of like pantry essentials that don't really go bad. So for our pasta, I'm also gluten-free, completely 100% gluten-free. So the pasta that I love to eat is this chickpea pasta from Costco. It is so, so good, and it has so much protein. Like the amount of protein in here, just like, let me find it. So for 100 grams of this, it's 25 grams of protein. And if you are a busy mom on the go, you want to make sure you're getting lots of protein so you don't get hungry with your meal prep, right? This pasta is so, so amazing. We're going to be using it for the barbecue pulled pork mac and cheese that I'm going to be making this week. But it's great for pasta salads, to make for spaghetti, all of that sort of thing. I know spaghetti and meatballs is usually made with spaghetti noodles, but I kind of like the spirals, but they also make a spaghetti noodle as well. And then I got some tomato soup, because we're also going to be doing some tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. This is one of my absolute go-to backup meals, guys. So if you are one of those people who, for meal prepping, this is so, so key. If you're one of those people who plans out only the amount of meals that you'll need, and that's it, my tip for you is to have what's called a backup meal. A backup meal is a meal that you can, that's super easy, easier than all of the recipes that are on your list, and that can be made in less than 10 minutes, and that you can slide into one of those slots in case your meal prep runs out, if you didn't make enough, or if you're just having a crazy busy week and you don't have enough time to make all of the meals that you planned. Alright guys, that's it for my weekly meal prep grocery haul. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe, because it really helps support my channel, and it also lets me know that you love these types of videos so I can make more of them for you. And of course guys, if you want the recipes for the meals that I've chatted about in this video, let me know in the comments below so I know to create those recipes for you as well. Alright guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!